Hello, so here we are with a little bit more of an update. Now started to get the decal on board. But I'm doing I'm doing. I'm putting the decals on 4th Armoured Division 25th Cavalry Reconnaissance Mechanised A Troop 45 Czechoslovakia. Was going for the second arm. Not so much this decal, was the knocking everything all over the place. Not much that. One on the back there. It's 3 pieces. Now, yeah, and one piece goes in across here underneath. If I'd known that from the start, I would have put the decal on before I'd done, after I put these on, but it would have been so much less of a pain. So unfortunately, I destroyed the decal trying to fit them under these bits and pieces. So we're no longer doing the second armoured, we're actually doing the 4th armoured. So I'm getting a bit of stowage on. I've got some more stuff. I've pulled it out of other model kits as plastic bits and pieces. Yeah, so that's where we're at now. Turrets together. I just got to fit the 50 cal on the top of that. And the tow rope. Like a fool. Tow rope under there. Try and break that off. And I'm getting ready to paint the commander figure. A little bit of weathering. Only light weathering. And we'll basically be there then, I think. So see you in a bit. Hello again. So, a little bit of an update here. So we got the figure underway. Have a quickly look at it. Focus at all. The fresh tones of that are done. He's got blue eyes. Tinker's jacket is done. Brand new boots. Got a bit of a wash on him at the moment, and that's sort of drying that down and not front. The back is very similar. That's him underway. Right in here, I'm not quite sure what's going on here. Just recently done a head roll type thing. That's gonna side of the vehicle. I've just got to deal with the metal clips on straps for that. So same with the bags. They've all got metal clips done and buckles, but they're all for hanging off and that. And let me bring the. We've got a light bit of weathering on there. I'm not doing the web decals. Looking at the bears. Right, I'll be back with you when it is late. Right, here we go. This is my finished article for the Recon group build hosted by Joachim and Markus. And I'm happy with the result. I can't argue with that. The figure came out okay. The vehicle's nice. I don't think that there's any major issues, or really any minor issues, to be honest with you. One of the bits of plastic on it was the other was a little bit bent, but other than that, everything snipped off, came off, etc., and no real problems. I put a small amount of extra like baggage stuff on there, but nothing too much. I mean, I know some of them were absolutely chock-a-block with bits and pieces, but I didn't think I'd fancy it. So none of these were in the kit. These are all the baggage hanging off the vehicle is actually out of other kits and a little bit out of the stash, so to speak. I mean, these 4 here, they're out of an academy. I think it's an M18 Hellcat. The stage pack on there. So the only aftermarket part is the gun barrel. A Gordy Rubio US 37mm. That came off of Fleabay. They still make that or not. I originally bought that actually for a Stuart light tank that I was going to do, but I saw that it had the M8 Greyhound on there, so I thought, okay, I'll swap it out and put it on this one. Figure's not glued in, as you can see, he's just taken a nosedive. Very light weathering. Not get anything to focus properly in here. Cat's outside the door meowing. Like I said, very light weather. The whole kit was generally done out of box. No extra other than the gun barrel. And yeah, quite pleased with it. Any mistakes on it are mine. The vehicle represented actually 4th Armoured Division. Let's get this right. It's the 4th Armoured Division, 25th Cavalry Reconnaissance Squadron, Mechanised A Troop, 1945, Spring, Czechoslovakia. That's what's recognised on the decals. So, yeah. 4th Armoured Division, 25th. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like. Diorama set. A little bit of it. Right, so that's what it looks like in a diorama setting. I'll get the whole diorama in on this camera, unfortunately. Okay, that's it. All I've got for you, folks. Thanks very much, Marcus and Joachim, for hosting this reconnaissance group build this year. It was thoroughly enjoyable, and glad to have finished it. To all my new subscribers and to all my old subscribers, I appreciate you very much. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.